Right now, the Bitcoin 4-hourly time frame is creating a bearish divergence, and in this exact video, I will be talking about what this means for Bitcoin. I also will go over the most important charts we should be looking at right now. I will talk about the Bitcoin volatility index that currently is hitting a 3-year low in the market, and I will talk about much more important things here. So don't forget to slap up that like button. Can we once again smash it back above 300 likes? That will be absolutely incredible. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the content. And once looking at Bitcoin on the imminent short term, we can currently clearly see that we were getting rejected by this red box on the top side, also right here, but currently we're trading above it, and what means that we're currently trading above the range we've been talking about for quite a while already right now. And after we right now officially broke above this region, we're also seeing this level that previously ran provided resistance flip in towards support. So this is definitely very interesting to see. On the 1 hour time frame, of course, we've been consolidating in this sideways consolidation range for about 21 days. Currently we're trading above it. Still the volatility is not picking up. However, we are trading above this critical level of previous resistance. And what I will be saying over this range right now here is that for Bitcoin is going to be extremely important to be breaking above $17,000, because like you can see on this chart here, the $17,000 barrier for Bitcoin is definitely the most important level of resistance in this market. And if we do break above it, realistically speaking, I am going to be targeting for a level somewhere around 18 to 18.1k for Bitcoin, all the way back up towards the upside. Currently, we're also breaking outside of the symmetrical triangle, so things on the imminent short term for Bitcoin are actually looking quite good here. If we break above 17k, then I am expecting continuation towards approximately $18,000, and that is also exactly how I will be trading the current range of Bitcoin. However, on the 4-hourly time frame right now, we are creating a higher high on the price section. Well, in fact, the RSI is forming a lower high, what means that we are currently officially creating a bearish divergence on the 4-hourly time frame for Bitcoin. And historically speaking, a bearish divergence could lead to two things: either a significant drop towards the downside for the price section of Bitcoin, or either more sideways consolidation. And right now we just have to wait to see how it's going to be playing out. However, it is extremely likely that we probably will see some more struggles for Bitcoin enter the market. However, if we do break above that 17k, where I talked about earlier as well, and confirm a higher high on the RSI, this RSI bearish divergence will get invalidated. However, right now we are officially playing out a bearish divergence, what is definitely important to be looking at the moment. Then talking about an extremely important chart for Bitcoin, the Bitcoin volatility index. Maybe it doesn't really look like an interesting chart to be looking at, but if I look at the current stage we're in, we're currently at an extremely low point of volatility in the market. And if I set up an horizontal, you can currently see that the last time we hit this level is not even on this chart, what means that Bitcoin is currently on an approximately 5-year low on the volatility index. You can see it also on this chart right here. Currently we are on the 1.13% on the Bitcoin volatility time series chart, and the last time we reached such low levels was all the way back in 2016. So this is very interesting to see, because historically speaking, once the volatility is low for Bitcoin, it tends to create a big move afterwards. You can see it also over here, because historically speaking, the average 30-day Bitcoin US dollar volatility in all the previous years is somewhere around 3 to 4% here, and arguably 2016 was the worst year in terms of volatility. There was 2.49, and currently we are on 1.12. So it is likely that we are going to be seeing more volatility in towards the next year here, but this is definitely a very interesting part and a very interesting take on the market right now here. Volatility is extremely low for Bitcoin, and what always happens once the volatility is extremely low, we tend to see big moves here. So whether it's going to be up or down, I don't know yet here. We have to wait to see how the market is going to develop. If we break above 17k, then we could see volatility towards the upside. If we break below the 16k, we are probably going to see more volatility towards the downside. Currently, I'm also still long on Bitcoin with an approximately $114,000, and I am looking for more continuations towards the upside, and that is also exactly what I am currently looking for. So yeah, if you are interested in swing trading Bitcoin yourself, you can check out the links in the description to all the exchanges that are currently offering insane deposit bonuses. But really, if I'm looking at the price section of Bitcoin right now, we are seeing some danger signs on the imminent short term, and on the Bollinger Bands on the 1-day time frame, you can also clearly see that the price section of Bitcoin is getting squeezed up so significantly. We've been trading sideways for such a long period of time in the market, And basically, the longer we're going to trade sideways in this market, the bigger the swing is going to be, either up or down here. On the 3-day time frame, you can see it as well. We're currently extremely narrow. The last time we were so narrow on the 3-day time frame for Bitcoin was all the way back here, and that's a very long time ago in 2018 November, before we had that massive collapse towards the downside. So make sure to pay attention towards the market right now here. Things are heating up. It was a very short update video because not a lot of things are happening right now here. But anyways, thank you so much for watching towards the amazing new update video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.